Welcome to day 2 of our 14-day hormonal challenge. Now, we're going to talk about the endocrine disruptors that's in your home. Now, this is a tough thing. It's going to be very, very hard to avoid. So let's find out how we can adapt to this. Because there's flame retardants in furniture, there's flame retardants and chemicals inside of the carpet. So obviously, if you're cleaning the furniture or cleaning the carpet, use non-toxic, safe chemicals. Okay, so this means like baking soda. You can sprinkle baking soda around a carpet, vacuum it up, it works fantastically well. But the best thing that you can do is plants, but let the outside air in. You'll see we've got the front door open here. I've got the windows open outside. You can see out there the back door is open. So we have a free flow of fresh air in here. Also, look at the plants. Get as many plants as you can in your house. Heck, we even got a picture of plants. Okay, and then to add even more, come on over here. A diffuser with essential oils. And again, this is fantastic. You're talking antimicrobial, antibacterial. It's amazing. Plus it smells good. But all of this stuff will reduce the chemicals that your body is exposed to in your environment. Let the outside air in. Look at the cleaning products. Make sure that they are healthy and natural. And you're going to have a very, very great. So here's the exercise. What I want you to go through is, if you can, open up windows. Get fresh air in. Look at using just baking soda or vinegar as your cleaning products, and that's going to be a huge difference. Also, when you're vacuuming, make sure you have a filter on that vacuum that can take care of some of that environmental toxins. And choose your furniture wisely. Make sure it doesn't have formaldehyde or glues in there. If it does, air it out. Get it outside, get the sunlight to hit it. Get the environment that you're living in as toxic free as you can. And that's going to be a big step. Also, if you have Wi-Fi, you know those timers they put on lights? It just has a little timer where it turns the light on or off, so criminals think that you're home when you're not. Hook the Wi-Fi up to that. So you only set it for the hours to be on when you're utilizing it. So when you're home and you're not utilizing that Wi-Fi or you're sleeping, it automatically shuts off. And that's going to decrease the electronic or the EMF radiation, and that can also disrupt your hormones. So get that house open, get some plants. Chrysanthemums are one of the best flowers to absorb toxins. They are going to die, but they give their life up for you. So if you have new carpet or that new car smell, that's all poisonous. Get chrysanthemums, get plants, get essential oils, get it aired out, and then you're going to have a healthy home environment. Welcome to day 2, baby.